Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Today I will show you how to build a USB Ethernet adapter at home. First, gather essential parts and tools. Use a USB Type-A or Type-C connector and a USB 2.0 data pair cable. Select a USB to Ethernet PHY chip such as RTL 8152 or a 6 with 25 MHz reference clock. Add an Ethernet transformer 1 magnetics rated for 2.5 VRMS and an RJ45 jack with integrated LEDs. Provide power with a regulated 5V input and a 3V regulator for the PHY. Place decoupling caps 1 micro F and 10 micro F close to regulator and IC pins. Next, design the PCB with careful differential routing and clear ground planes. Route USB D+ and D as a controlled differential pair with about 90 ohm differential impedance. Keep trace lengths matched within 5 mm and avoid stubs or right angle bends. Connect PHY TX+ and TX to the primary of the Ethernet magnetics. Then wire the magnetics secondary to RJ45 pins 1, 2, 3, 6 for 10/100 base D signaling. Place a common mode choke on the Ethernet pair and decoupling capacitors on 5V and 3V rails close to the IC. Finally, flash or configure the PHY and test the adapter thoroughly before use. Program PHY registers via SBI or SMI if required, or rely on built-in USB class support and host drivers. Provide a stable 25 MHz reference clock to the PHY and verify clock presence with an oscilloscope. Test link negotiation at 10 Mbps and 100 Mbps using a switch or loopback cable. Check RJ45 LEDs for activity during data transfer. Add ESD diodes on data lines and ensure galvanic isolation considerations meet safety. Limit current draw to under 500 M from the USB port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.